Okay, I purchased these Harley dyna second-hand exhausts, and the baffles have been drilled out completely, and they're way too loud for my for vehicle inspection to pass the warrant of fitness. So I made these insertable baffles. This one is half open, so it makes a bit more noise. It's probably still too loud for inspection, but I made a second one which is still in progress, and it's completely blocked at that end, and it's very quiet when I insert it. And I'll just put them in the end and drill a hole to mount them, and I'll have a changeable baffle so I can adjust the sound of my exhaust. Okay, I'm all finished now. This is my fully blocked one. I put the partial blocked one in the exhaust, and I just sealed around the hole I drilled with some copper gasket maker and a bit of manifold gasket. Let me have a look. So it's just a screw there, so you can just change them out whenever you need to what sound you want. And underneath, just sealed there. It's orange stuff is the silicone gasket seal, and we'll just start it up and see how it sounds. So that worked pretty good. So now I've got a tunable exhaust for whatever sound I want, and it was just made out of these square aluminum rods, bars or whatever. Just drilled some holes, folded the end over at the other end to block it, make a baffle, and you can just, it fits perfectly down the middle of the dyna stock exhaust, and it worked really well.